This grant is unique to me because I wanted to focus on cross-sector partnerships. So you do not need to be an artist to apply for this. You can be an artist and apply for this. The purpose is that there are two components of the application. So there is the person who's applying and the community organization or the artist that you're working with. So each application will have like the individual who is applying plus a letter of commitment from the other party. The second part is sustainability. So in your application, you will need to answer what your sustainability plan is for your project. Now, these are micro grants, so they're not gonna have funding enough to sustain a lifelong program, right? But I think that it is important that part of your work is focused on what happens after the grant period, what happens after the money runs out, how can you reinvest some of that into keeping the program going or having those seeds planted, but then having other community members continue to nourish them so that they can grow in the future. And then the last thing that I wanted to talk about is just the mentorship and the community development that is a byproduct of the grant. So if you are selected as a grantee, you will get 2 one-on-one sessions with me or someone else that is relevant to your project, and you will get to kind of brainstorm and ask questions and develop the program. Once you're a grantee, you're a part of this community. So as we continue to host more grants or give out more grants throughout the years, you and your project will continue to be a part of our network. And so, for example, if next year someone else applies for a program or has a project that is related to your grant, I will connect y'all. Maybe you could potentially be a mentor, but ultimately you will have access to all of the resources going forward with your project.